All right, so buckle up, everybody, because today we're diving deep into the world of AI and education, but with a twist. We're not just looking at the broad strokes, we're getting granular with prompt engineering and how it can really supercharge learning. Our guide for this journey, a YouTube video. It's from Gen AI Explained Simply, and the title's a mouthful. Episode 9, AI in Education, Crafting Prompts for Learning Enhancement. Even threw in some hashtags, hashtag prompt, hashtag A education. So, gotta give it trendy, right? And anyway, the video makes a really compelling case for how carefully crafted prompts can unlock AI's potential in the classroom. Think of it like this. You're giving a super smart computer a recipe, and depending on how clear and specific your instructions are, you're going to get some pretty amazing results. So let's jump right into it. One of the first things that grabbed my attention was the idea of using AI to generate interactive quizzes. We've all been there, right? Staring at those generic multiple choice questions, praying for a miracle. But what if, and this is where it gets really cool, what if you had a quiz that was laser focused on your specific needs, one that adapts to what you already know, and zeroes in on the areas where you need a little extra help? The video gives a fantastic example. Let's say you're struggling with a particular chapter in your biology textbook, like chapter 3 on human anatomy. The prompt you'd give the AI could be something like this: generate a quiz based on chapter 3 in the biology textbook, focusing on human anatomy, including multiple choice and short answer questions. Now, this isn't just about pulling random questions from a database. AI can actually analyze your learning patterns, figure out which concepts are tripping you up, and design questions to target those specific gaps. It's like having a personal tutor built right into the software, constantly adjusting to your learning curve. Which brings us to another exciting application: personalized learning paths. Imagine taking a test. Instead of just getting a grade, you also get a set of customized activities tailored to your strengths and weaknesses. The video uses the example of a student group struggling with quadratic equations. The prompt would be something like, analyze the learning patterns of student group A from the recent test results, and suggest customized follow-up activities to strengthen their understanding of quadratic equations. No more one-size-fits-all approach. AI can create a learning journey that's unique to each individual. I really wish I had this back in high school. Some subjects just felt like they went right over my head. But with AI-powered personalized learning, students could get the support they need at exactly the right time. And it's not just about quizzes and tests. AI can also generate explanatory content, taking those complex topics that often leave students scratching their heads and breaking them down into easily digestible formats. The example they give in the video is brilliant. Explain the principle of relativity in simple terms suitable for high school students, incorporating diagrams and everyday examples. Relativity was a total mind-bender for me back in the day, but imagine if instead of wrestling with dense textbook chapters, AI could present the information visually, with real-world examples that actually make sense. It could be a game changer, especially for students who learn best through visual or hands-on methods. Now, the last application I want to touch on is how AI can be used to facilitate collaborative learning projects. Picture this. You're tasked with solving a real-world problem in your community, something like designing a sustainable technology solution. And you have an AI assistant that not only helps you structure the project, but also suggests roles based on each team member's strengths, maximizing engagement and learning. The prompt for this could be something like, design a project that requires teamwork to solve a community problem using sustainable technology, provide guidelines and expected outcomes. This is project-based learning on steroids, with AI providing the scaffolding and support to make it truly impactful. So there you have it. We've seen how AI can personalize quizzes, create customized learning paths, simplify complex topics, and even design incredible group projects. And it all comes down to prompt engineering, giving the AI the right instructions to unlock its full potential. But as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave you with a thought. As exciting as all of this is, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. So as we integrate AI into education, we need to have those tough conversations about ethics, potential downsides, and how to ensure that this technology is used to empower learners, not to control or limit them. Until next time, keep those brains buzzing and keep exploring the incredible possibilities of AI in education. See ya.